Mr. Henry, I'm writing to express my concern about the limitations of our current rehabilitation facilities. We're struggling to meet the increasing demand for therapy services.
That's a valid concern, Mihira. The limited resources can impact patient outcomes.
We need more specialized equipment, such as gait trainers and balance boards, to facilitate effective rehabilitation. Additionally, we could benefit from a larger therapy gym to accommodate more patients simultaneously.
I agree. We should explore options for acquiring additional equipment and expanding our therapy facilities. However, we need to consider the budgetary constraints and resource allocation.
We could also optimize our current resources by scheduling patients more efficiently and prioritizing urgent cases. Additionally, we could collaborate with other healthcare providers to share resources and expertise.
That's a good approach, Mihira. We should also consider teletherapy as an alternative option for patients who are unable to attend in-person sessions.
By implementing these strategies, we can maximize the utilization of our existing resources and improve patient care.
Hello, Mihira. I understand your concern about bruises, and I'd like to explain what's happening and offer some reassurance. When you get a bruise, what's actually happening is a small injury just under the surface of your skin. It's usually caused by a bump or knock that breaks tiny blood vessels, called capillaries. When these little vessels break, a small amount of blood leaks out into the surrounding tissues. At first, you might see a red or purplish mark, and that's just the blood pooling there. Over time, as your body naturally starts to heal, it begins to break down and reabsorb that trapped blood, which is why the color of the bruise changes from a dark purple to a greenish yellow before it fades completely. Please know that bruises are a very common part of everyday life and are almost never a cause for concern. Your body is incredibly good at healing them on its own, a process that usually takes anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the size and location of the bruise. There are also some simple things you can do to help ease any discomfort and speed up the healing. Applying a cold compress or a bag of frozen vegetables wrapped in a towel to the area right after the injury can help reduce swelling. After the first 48 hours, a warm compress can help improve blood flow and encourage the reabsorption of the blood. If a bruise is causing a lot of pain, over-the-counter pain relievers can also be very helpful. Remember, your body is doing all the hard work to fix the injury, and these small steps can simply support its natural process.